Hey guys, so we're back with another technology-oriented video. I wanted to do this video mainly because I heard a lot of people asking what's in my camera backpack. So I thought, might as well do something like that. I'm a beginning YouTuber. I mainly just do YouTube because it's fun. I'm a full-time student, and let's get into my camera backpack. This is a backpack that I just carry around with me whenever I'm going to film something or a video like this. And also what you'll realize is that a lot of this stuff is on a budget because, again, I'm a college student. So I didn't spend a lot on this, and I think, you don't need to spend a lot to get started. So here's my backpack. This is just a normal Puma backpack. This was given to me by my uncle as a gift, and I found a great use for it. So let's start with this front pocket right here. And in this, I carry a microfiber cloth and some cleaning solution. So you'll notice that this is a big microfiber cloth, and this was a cleaning solution that I reused from a screen protector that I installed. Again, budget. So I just use this and I fill this up with water. And the microfiber cloth is mainly because whenever you put a suction mount on something, you want to have a clean surface and you want to be able to clean your mount. This can also be used to clean lenses. Water is always a safe thing to use to clean. Generally, I keep my lenses clean, so I don't use it mainly for that, but I do like to just use a microfiber cloth to clean it up. But I don't use this water mainly for that. Let's put this off to the side. Let's go into this compartment up here. This is a microfiber lined compartment, and in here what I carry is this little pouch which has my lapel mic or lavalier mic, and it's always needed to have a lavalier mic whenever you're filming something since, well, you gotta get good audio. This is a mic that I got off of Amazon. It was the best rated one. It doesn't have it inside of here because I'm wired up right now, but we'll keep that off to the side as well. Then there's the one big compartment, and here is where I carry the majority of the stuff. This is a nice little tripod, which I like to use. It's, if you just extend the legs like so, it's perfect. It's got rubber, so it doesn't really move. Also, you can pull off this top, so I use this when I connect it to a tripod. I use this top. In addition to that, I have this case here. This is for my GoPro. Now, this GoPro was actually just sitting around the house, so I found a use for it. It has a bunch of accessories, but I don't really use many of these accessories other than the case for the GoPro. This is always whenever I want to put this up on a follow car to film the car. So for all the rolling shots that you see, those were taken with this GoPro. This is a Hero 4. It's also quite old. Let's go on to the additional stuff. Here you'll see, of course, in a Ziploc, but it's a suction mount. It's got two suction. This is from Smart Tree. I got this mainly because of the two suction cups since I don't want my GoPro falling off of a car. This is also used for rolling shots mainly. We'll see another suction mount. This is an Amazon Basics mount. And I believe other than that, I have this, which is just a body mount for the GoPro. I don't really use that much. And I did carry some other stuff. Let me try to find that. Oh yeah, it's in this compartment. This is a necessity. I'll get to my main film equipment later, but that's gonna be my iPhone, and it's always good to have a battery pack. This, again, it's a small little battery that I picked up from a code competition that I went to. It's got Lockheed Martin's logo on it. It was from Code Quest. Yeah, that's right, Code Quest. They gave out battery packs as a participation prize, so thank you. And then I got this. It's a multi-purpose cable. So I use this, of course, the USB side, and then I'll use Lightning if I want to use the battery to charge up my phone. I can also use the mini USB to charge up the GoPro. I've got USB-C in the case that I get a USB-C device down the line, or if I want to use it to charge my iPad. But either way, I also got this cable for free. I got this from Oracle Open World, so that's quite helpful. And then the main equipment, my iPhone. So I use my iPhone for filming everything. You'll notice that it's wired up since I'm using this to record audio right now. In fact, the camera that I'm using to film this is a camera from my film class. So thank you to my professor for letting me use that. But either way, I use this iPhone to film everything. The iPhone camera is just amazing, so you don't really need anything other than that. I believe that if you've looked at Doug DeMuro's videos, he's got like nearly 2 million subscribers or something, or he's definitely over 1 million. And he films everything with an iPhone. It's amazing to see how great this camera is, and you don't need much else. That's pretty much it. That's all that I carry with me in my film bag. If you want to see more stuff relating to what equipment I have, maybe what I have with me at my desk as a college student, of course, I can't forget about what I use to edit everything. So that is my MacBook Pro right here. If you watched the last video, last tech video, where I talked about my backpack, I carry this MacBook Pro with me. This has the Radeon 560 graphics, I believe. It's got the Intel integrated graphics, but those suck. It also has 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal flash storage. So this is really great. I have the Final Cut Pro app on here. I use that for editing everything. If you don't have the money to afford like a Mac Pro or an iMac Pro, a MacBook Pro is a perfect way to go. I wouldn't suggest like a MacBook or a MacBook Air, but really any MacBook Pro will get the job done for you. But either way, like, that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button since there's a lot of great content coming up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.